Okay, good evening to you all. Today is our day 37 of this 3-month data analytics bootcamp. Like I said, this bootcamp will last for about 3 months. And today is our day 37. Like always, we start by showing our outlines. That is what we are to cover for the day. So we'll have a recap on what we did on day 36. And today we are going to talk about dashboard. That's what we are going to talk about today. Then we'll have question and answer, conclusion, and call it a day. So if you can recall, yesterday we started the data visualization. Even what we are going to do today has to do with data visualization, but it's just some part of it that you are going to learn. And we all know that data visualization is the graphical representation of the data, that is to show how people easily understand what you did with the data. And we discuss about different types of graphs or charts that we have, which we talk about bar charts, histogram, pie chart, line chart, and I give you an explanation of scatter plot, why you need scatter plot and what scatter plot did. Even though we didn't practice it, so don't worry about it. We didn't practice that. I told you when you need it and when it will come in handy. But it's good for you to have understanding on that. Today we are going to talk about um today we are going to talk about dashboard. That's what we are going to talk about, dashboard. You see, um dashboard is a way of presenting data, is one of the way of presenting your data, but in a robust way, or I can say in a one place. Instead of you to have all the charts, we are going to talk about that presentation when we are going to talk about that, how to pick the chart to put it inside Microsoft PowerPoint and the rest. That's something else. We are going to talk about dashboard. When you have you want to present a data, sometimes you present a data in one place. You don't need to put all the charts into different pages. Maybe you have 10 charts or graphs or 15 graphs. You can put them in one place so that by mere looking at it, people will look at it and say, okay, yeah, we understand this is saying this and saying that. When do you need to create dashboard? Normally is when you have a how can I say, a frequent data, or a data that is not rigid, data that is flexible, data that is changing. Sometimes that's the type of data you need to create dashboard for it. So when you have such type of data, maybe you will have the data. It can be live data. Of course, it can be live. That's the word I've been looking for. It can be live data that is coming up maybe after some minutes, or that is coming up after some time, or some days, or some month, or some period of time. So you keep updating the data. So you create a dashboard for the people to look at the dashboard, to understand what's going on and to understand the data. So in this case, they don't need presentation. Your presentation is just for a rigid data. When you create presentation will remain rigid and it will remain there. But now we are talking about live dashboard, a dashboard that is telling the people, okay, this is this is that. Let me just give you a clear example. For example, let's say during election, uh, maybe you create dashboard for these politicians. The dashboard you create is going to take the lively data from all the polling units. So you see, when the data is coming as a live data, you already create a chart, you already create a dashboard on that. So they are sitting in their rooms, they are just looking at the dashboard. It's just showing them, okay, you failed so many polling units, you won so many polling units, you have so votes, you are maybe PDP is leading you with so vote, or APC is leading with so votes. You see, by mere looking at the dashboard, they will keep understanding what is going on and they are learning from that. Please do understand this. So that's what dashboard is all about. So when you look at dashboard tells you everything. It just tells you everything. Maybe number of females. By mere looking at the dashboard, you see the chart that shows the number of females. You look at the pie chart that shows the percentage of females and males. You look at this that shows this. You look at this that shows this. You see, That's what dashboard is all about. That's dashboard. So there are lots of companies or lots of this dashboard that I'm explaining to you. Most of the organization in Nigeria, even the big organization, international organization, they doesn't know much about the dashboard. So when you are good at this dashboard, you are great in creating this dashboard. There is every opportunity when you get a job with these people, you will be elevated to a higher position with that skill alone. Because that skill alone, a lot of people are not aware of the dashboard. That way, when you are good at it, you see, you try to create that, you try to adopt it for them to be seeing the lively report of what they are doing. Maybe you can even start pasting the dashboard on their, what do we call it, on their notice boards. You know, you create a very big dashboard, you paste it weekly or by monthly or something like that. People will look at it by me looking at the charts. They will say, yeah, we have this, we don't have this, we have that, we don't have that. So all your charts, all your graphs, you put all the graphs in one place. That's the end of it. All the graphs are in one place. When you look at the dashboard, you will understand everything based on the graphs. I don't know if you understand this. So this is what this dashboard is all about. Sometimes the dashboard can be interactive. Of course, the dashboard sometimes can be interactive. We are going to talk about interactive dashboard tomorrow or next tomorrow. We're going to talk about interactive dashboard where even though the data is not live, but the dashboard is interactive. So when they touch this, it will give them this. When they touch this, it will give them this. When they touch this, it will give them this. So the dashboard is interactive. They can just go ahead and touch whatever they want to see. Maybe it's by state. I just want to see me. I just want to see the charts from Zamfara State. So they will just click on Zamfara. It's only Zamfara that they will see the charts of Zamfara State people. If they click on Lagos, they will see the charts of Zamfara, Lagos people and the rest. So this is what all this is all about. So today we are going to learn how to develop a dashboard, how to create a dashboard in Excel. So yeah, I know definitely we are going to resume to this class. This time I don't think if this 40 minutes is enough for us, we stick to that. If it's not, we come back. But I want you to understand this. Yesterday I already showed you how to develop how to create the graphs, and I believe you did that. Sorry for not sharing the video with you. I've been having a lot of problems with my software that I use for, you know, putting the two videos together, and that's, I don't know what's wrong with it. So, but it's just now I'm about to start the class. I was successfully finished with the work. I'm about to, I wanted to start uploading the video. So while we are doing the class, the video is there uploading itself. When we are done, the video is really, but it's not working too. So maybe after this class, I'll put all the two videos. I'll share them with you. I'm sorry for that. So let's continue. Let's just go to our Excel and start creating the dashboard. So don't worry, I just did some analysis. I'm just going to create the charts. After creating the charts, then we move to the dashboard where we are going to dashboard, create the dashboard. I'm going to show you that. And I believe from today, you are going to learn that and you are going to practicalize it because all this that we are learning, let me tell you this, once you stop doing it, once you stop practicing it, please and please don't come back next tomorrow and tell me you forget something. I will not even attend to you because you are bound to forget it and you will forget it. That's the end of it. Let me tell you this. So if you want to master all this, you want to learn all this, you want to have everything in your head, believe me, you need to keep doing it every day, almost every day. It will be your passion. Even though you are not working anywhere, even though you are not working for anybody, get any data, create your own data, work with it, and do the rest. So keep practicing. If you practice this dashboard, you can do a great dashboard, better dashboards by yourself. You can do it. So me too, today I'm going to create the dashboard with you. The dashboard we are going to design together now. I never did that type of dashboard. So we're going to do it. I'm just going to customize it the way I want. So just look at it and watch what we are going to do. So please pay attentively and, you know, see what we are going to do today. So let's go to our Excel. Let's go to our Excel and start developing the dashboard. Okay, so I think, okay, I just want to copy the data. I just want to copy the data. Okay, so this is the data. I'm sorry. No, let me try to. Okay, this thing is not working. I tried to upload the video, it's not working again. So let's leave it. Let's continue. I'm sharing my screen now. Don't worry. Okay, so all this is the data, and this is what we did with the data. This is the analysis. I just did the analysis. Look at it. I just got this, do this and that. Don't worry about all this. I believe you can all do it because we ask you question on it, you can do it. If we ask you to do it, you can do it. So it's not something big. I'm just going to create, I'm going to create what did I say? I'm going to create graphs based on this. That's what I'm going to create so that you will learn from it. That's it. So I'm going to create graphs on that. Is there anything? Okay, yeah. So let's go ahead. Let's see it. Let's go at it. So now we have these males and females. Forget about that. I think I'm not going to touch that. So for this that has to do with males and females, what are we going to do? I think we can create a chart that has to do with this. Is it okay for us to have this? Or we can have this. So understand all the steps we are going to do. Please understand them. Or sometimes if you are using my chart, well, definitely this type of chart we are going to get this type of graph, or you can get this stacked. It's a stacked column chart. You can get this one. This color is for females. This color is for males. So I love this color. Seriously, I'm going to use this. This is the type of chart I'm going to use. It's just types of bar charts that we have. So I can see steps. I will name the chart. This is the chart title. I can see steps by gender. Make sure whatever you are doing, you name the column, the chart title, you name it the way you want. So I'm just going to remove the y-axis. I'm removing the grid line inside. And yeah, I want to see the data. Yeah, I want to see it. I want it to appear. But this one, I want it to be on top. Look at it. I'm going to make it on top. So I'll click on it, go to this data level. I will make it end. You see, it's at the end. So that this one will be here and that one will be there. So this is okay. So I'm done with this chart. But now, sorry, but now I'm going to change the color. We are going to use some nice colors. Yeah. So what type of color are we going to use? Do you have any color in your mind? And don't give us red color. I want to change the color for females to be, for the entire chart, I want it to be something else. Can we use this one again and then use something? No, 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 no. Oh, let's use this one. Can we use this too? I think they are nice. I don't know if you love this color or you don't love them. I don't know. If you have issue with this color, do you have any issue with it? Okay, so you don't have issue with it. Somebody is saying white. How are we going to put white here, please, for God's sake? How are you going to put white? If we put white, you are not, I don't think you are going to see what's inside there. So let me just put this color and put it aside. So I'm done with this chart. Don't worry. Okay, and for this one, I'm going to create bar chart, of course, but I'm going to have this chart or this one. Which one am I going to have? Okay, let me have this one. No, I don't love this one. Let's have the bar one. Look at it here. This is the bar chart. You see, this is the bar one. So it's just the one that just looks like this, the vertical bar chart. So let's just have this vertical bar chart. I just love it. If I want, I can make this to be highest to lowest, you see, so that the chart will look somehow. So I can just come here and sort it. I can just see sort by smallest to largest to smallest, you see? So it will looks like this. Look at it. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. So yeah, I love it like this. And I'll change okay, we use this color, so let's just leave it like this. Since we use this color, so let's leave it like this. So this is the department percentage of per department. So I'm going to use our, okay, let's use this or this. Which one? Pie chart or donut chart? Which one do you love, please? Which one do you love? Just say, let me hear you, because we are doing all this together. I don't want to do it alone, so that you will see I'm the one that did everything. You don't even understand how we come up with this. This one or this one? Okay, let me see the chart. Okay, donut. Everyone donut. So you want to eat donut. Someone is saying pink for female. Please, what bring about pink for female here? Ah, let me just create this donut chart. Somebody with pink for female. Okay, okay, let's put that color. Oh, sorry, you need to double click on it so that you select the one you want to change its color. You need to double click. I don't need this color. I don't need this color. So let me change it this. But for this one, which color are we going to put for it? If we put that pink, these pink people, I don't know how we are going to. Let's just use something. Yeah, I think let's use this green. This green is better. So let me put this. Yeah, we can put this. Sometimes we can add the what do they call it? The what did they call it? If we like, we can increase the size of it. If we like, we can increase that. You see, we can do that, but just leave it like that. Just leave it like that. Let me see something. Yeah, there is something that I think we can touch. Maybe I'll leave it the way it is. Okay, let's just leave it like that. I don't want us to keep touching all this. Okay, let's not touch anything here. Let's not touch. I just want to see if there is anything that I can show you, because just please leave it like that. Don't touch anything. Just leave it like this. I think it's okay. It's very, very okay. Please leave it like that. So let's just put it aside. So yeah, I'll put it aside. I'm done with this. Okay, so we have this again. Females by department. That is now this one is for all the state, but this one is for departments. So number of females by department. So now here also we can put this. If we like, now we can put this chart. If we like, we can put this chart. So it's going to show number of females by department. So when you look at it, you will see that. Do we have something like this? No, we don't. So let's create this one. So I'm going to see staffs gender by department. Somebody is raising his hand. Please, whatever you want to say it in the chat. Let me just hear it. The data label are not visible. Where? I don't know which data level you are talking about. I don't know which one. So let's change the color of this one. What is that color that we are using? Which one am I using? Is it this one or this one? Is this one, I think. Which one? Okay, this one, right? Sorry, I'm supposed to click all of them and change it together like this. Okay, where the donut chart? Someone is saying the donut chart. Why is the donut chart? Me, I'm seeing it. Maybe it's because I didn't zoom it. But okay, for this one, okay. Yeah, let's change this. Just double click on this one alone. Let's format it and change it to white. So black, we cannot see it on black. So now you can see it clearly. Yeah, I agreed. So now you can see it. Thank God. Yeah. I understand what you mean. I understand that. So now you can see it. So yeah, you can just double click on what you want to change and change whatever you want to change in it. So now we have number, staff, gender by this. So we are all creating the chart. So let's continue. And we also have this percentage. I don't even know where to get to do this. Okay, let's create this Let's create this. We already know what to do with this because it's a monthly data total by month. So we are going to create this. Yeah, it's going to look like this. This is our line chart. Look at our line chart. So now let me show you something. Please, in your line chart, you can come and double click on this. You see this? We are going to change this. Just come to your data. Come here. Come to this. Okay, sorry. Come to this axis option. You see, this axis started from 7,000, 0 to 7,000. Look at it now. 0 to 7,000. We are going to make it to reduce. We are reducing this space. You see, we are reducing this space that we have under. We are reducing it. So just click on it. Sorry. Come to this. Come to axis. Then let's just turn it to, is it 5,000? 5,000 is much. You see, it's just going to look like this. So we are going to put 4,000. What? Maximum? No, not maximum. Let me not touch the max. Maximum should be 7,000. The way it is. Yeah, we need maximum at 7,000. Is this one we are going to make? The minimum should be 4,000. But let me put 5,000 and see. But 4,000, make it 4,000 so that it will reduce the size there. Yeah. So we are going to see it like this. Look at it. This is how it's supposed to look like. That's how it started. So when you just did that, please don't touch anything. I said double click on this. You are going to have this. Then you go to axis and just change the axis from there. So now we are done with this. So I'm going to delete this. But this one, I'm going to change its color. I'm going to make it this color. But here is not this pale. We are going to change the outline, shape outline. So we want it to look like this. Is this one, is this okay? Yeah, it's okay. Let's just use this. So I'm clicking here and add the label on it. But let's put the label on top. Let's put it above. See how we want it above like this. So you see, if we strengthen it, it's going to look like this. So we are going to see trend of total by, you see, month by month. So this is a trend of total by month. Yeah, that's the trend of total by month. So I think that's it. So yeah, we have the month here, we have this. So let's just put it aside again. Okay, there is another. Okay, we have this chart. Okay, this chart has to do with target and reach. When you have target versus reach, I'm going to teach you how to create a chart like this. Please, we didn't do it yesterday, but today, for the purpose of this, I'm going to teach you this. Focus on this. You're going to see how it works. So let me show you this. Okay, just highlight this. When you highlight them, just go and put our bar chart. It's going to look like this. So I'm going to call it target versus reach, like target immunized versus immunized. That's how I used to do it then. So I used to create chart like that. So it's awesome if I'm recalling all those days. So let me just, what we are going to do now, look at it. We are going to do something. Now we are going to make our target. We are going to make our target to be a line chart. So our target is going to be a line chart within this particular bar chart. So just click on it. We click on our target. Just click on our target. When you click on our target, normally is the target or the reach. Which one are we going to make the trend? I think it's supposed to be the reach. So let's make our reach to be the trend. Let's make our reach to be the trend or the target. Anyone, but let's make our reach. I think reach is supposed to be the target. So when you click on the reach, look at it. Just right click and click on change type. Or you don't need even to click on it. Just click on change type from here. When you click on change type, you see under reach, this is the reach. Change the reach to this. You can change it to this or you can change it to this. Anyone you change, just click the reach. It's going to look like this. But like I told you, it can be the reach, it can be the target, but put it the target. Please turn it the way it is and make the target to be this. So here it is. I look at our target and this is our reach. So I can use this chart. is going to be like this. Also, if you use this one, it's just going to add a dot within it. So if we click OK, this is how it's going to look like. Look at it now. If it is too much data that we have too many data, it's going to look, more awesome than the way it is just like this. I'm just giving you a sample of how you're going to do it, but don't worry about that. So for the label here, I'm sorry, for the label, I'm going to put it inside. I want the label to be now inside the base. Yeah, okay, let's see at the end of the base. So I don't want, if I want to see the target, if I want, I can add the label of the target, and the label of the target, let's make it above. Okay, so the target is above and it looks somehow. So let's make the target below. Below is going to look on top of this. Center is going to touch this, so we can make it below. So if you like, you put it anywhere, or if you don't like, just remove this. So I'm going to make this target to be like this. Okay, let's make the target this, but here, let's make this one to be inside. Let's make it inside the base like this. So we have the target and we have the reach. So the reach is this and the target is this. But for the purpose of this, please, sometimes just use only one figure and disallow the other one. So for example, let's see, we remove this, but we used this alone. That is the reached. So we use the reach and put it at the end. Let me put it at the end. So by mere looking, they know this is the reach and this is the target, the trend of the target. So when you look at it, you see that data science, they are above the target. This one also are above the target, while this one did not reach the target. So do you get it? When you look at it, you see it's 30,000, they reached 27. They didn't reach the target. This one is 20,000, they reached 26. That's why they reached the target. This one is 25, they reached 20. So by me looking at it, it's only graphic design that are yet to reach the target because they didn't touch the trend line. So there also is an explanation that you can just explain without even saying the figure and continue. So let's use this chart also and turn this to our favorite color. I don't even know the name of the color. Is it sea blue or whatever blue? So let's just use this color. Sorry, I just did something. Here it is. Okay, so we have been creating different charts. So, okay, I did this, I did this. This is the only chart that we didn't create. So what are we going to, what are we going to create with this chart? Please tell me. I have different chart that I can use. I can use Seaborn. I can also use, I have this waterfall. I have this waterfall. So if I want, I can use waterfall. Yeah. So, but I have this funnel, which I know you don't have. So, but, let's see if there is any chart that is awesome that we can use. Let's just use this one, don't worry. I just love this tag. The chart is okay. So C pink. Where is C pink? So, but let's put our this place. Sorry for that pink color that. Yeah, so let's turn this to white since we said we are not seeing it. So let's turn it to white. So yeah, now you can all see it. So I'm going to say percentage of gender per department. Please, I told you to make sure you name the charts. So here it is. This is our charts. All these are our charts. Wait, where is our okay, our percentage? We all have this. So what else now, please? What else are we going to do? I think we are done, right? I believe we are done. So this, I love, let me just change this type. I'm sorry, I'm just changing this type because that one that comes with dot dot is more awesome than this one. There is one pie chart. Let me just come here. No, not this one. There is one that comes with dot dot. So, but let's leave this one. Let's leave this one is okay. This one also is okay. Okay, so here we are. This is our chart. So let's go and start developing the dashboard. Someone saying he's not seeing my screen. Look at all this that we have been doing. but someone is not seeing our screen. I don't even know. Okay, I just want to check if we are recording the class. Okay, so okay, so now let's go and create and see how we are going to create that. So let's just go to the new sheet. This is our new sheet, and this is where we are going to create the dashboard. So I think, are we going to style our sheet so that the sheet will look somehow or what? Okay, let's just style the sheet. First of all, I'm going to click on view. I'm removing the grid lines. So you all know how to remove grid lines. I show you that since from day one. So we remove the grid lines. Can I do it like this? Or I should leave it with this color? Okay, let me highlight it all and change the background color. Should we put, mm, should we put, let's use this color, right? Let me just find a color that I know. I don't want to use something for you different. Green. People will say, yeah, green, white, green. This one. I love this color. This one. Okay. So let's use this blue color. I don't know if you love it. Even if you don't love it, me, I love it. So we are going to use this color. So don't worry. Okay. So the next thing is we are going to design the header. If I like, I can do it like this. I'm just going to do this and margin it. In here, I'm going to say monthly dashboard report 2024. Let me just call it that. Okay, so I'm going to turn it into, don't worry, I'm changing the background. First of all, I'm turning it to white. The text, I'm turning it into what color? Why is the text? I'm not seeing the text. Are you seeing it? Oh, sorry, I put something that covered it for you. So someone said 2023, 2024. So let's add that 2023, 2024. Sorry. But we only have 2024 data in it. Let's just say 2024. We have trend of month. So let's just use one year. Don't worry. Let's use this color. I'm putting it here. I'm making it this. I'm using Arial Black. You need to know all the name of this. I'm going to call it Arial Black. Yes, we are good to go. We are good to go. This is okay. For me, it's okay. Let me just increase it like this. And this. So here it is. Here it is. So I think we are going to stop here. We only have 1 minute to go. So let's stop here. We come back after 1 minute and we continue from where we stop. So see you after 1 minute. Let's take a recess of 10 minutes and come back. Okay, so you can all do this. So this is it. We create this, and please, I'm sorry, let me just increase this because I have to decrease the screen a little bit. Let me just make it looks is 80 okay? I think 80. I want it to be like a bigger one, but let's make it 80. Let's make it looks 80. 80 is okay. So let's just merge and center it again. Yeah, so like this is okay. Okay, there are ways of doing this. So please, not only this, we can There are ways we can also put this top one that we just did. If you, but I think let's leave it maybe tomorrow since we are going, or next tomorrow since we are going to create another dashboard for interactive dashboard. Maybe we are going to do that way. So, but for this one, I think it's okay like this. Okay, so but this color is not the color we have in here. So I want the color we have in here. So is it this one? It's not this one. Which color did I use? Okay, it's this one, I think. I think it's this one, yeah. So let's continue. I'm sorry. Oh my God. I'm very tired. Okay, let's continue. Yes, salam. Okay. So let's go and bring all our charts to here. So let's just go and bring all the charts. So here they are. Just hold your control and keep selecting them one after the other. If you like, you can bring them one after the other. If you like, you can select them all. But me, I prefer to select them all and bring them here. So here they are. So I'm going to design my chart. So let's see how we are going to design it, what we are going to do. Okay, so let's start arranging the charts. So you see, first of all, before we arrange all this, we need to put some informations on top. We need to put some information up top. That is some real data. We need to put that. Maybe number of departments, maybe number of staffs, number of, maybe if we like we can put number of female males or number of states, number of staffs, number of this. Or you can just let me just write them. How are we going to do it? I can do this. Let me just bring a look at it. I'm going to insert, I'm going to bring a box. So maybe I will just call it number of departments, number of departments. I'll just click on it on top and click Control D. That is to duplicate it. Maybe I can say number of staffs. Then I can say number of states. I can say number of males and females if you like. You can put. I didn't customize this, but let me just do something. Sorry, I just want. Okay, I want to write what we are going to do because we cannot forget. So let me write it somewhere because I just named them. I say number of departments, number of staff, please. Somebody should write it in the chat so that we can, when we are doing it, we follow it. But I'm going to customize this post. I'm going to show you how to do that. So you see, this one is what we are going to use first. So I'm making it bold. We are all using Arial, so I'm using Arial for it. Also, if we like, we can use Arial black. Arial black on it so that it will be darker. Yeah, like this. I can make it like this. Put it this at the middle, increase the size a little bit like this. I think this is okay. People can see it. But if people cannot see it, we can increase it. We can increase it. We can increase it. Or let me just leave it like this. This is okay. Okay, so now again, we can come to shape. Just all this, I'm trying to just teach you all this so that it will help for you to create a design. So we can put a shape like this, or like this, or we can put a shadow. If you like, you can put, when you create a shadow, look at how it looks like. Now we have a shadow under it, you see? You just create a shadow and it looks more, you know, uh, awesome than the way it is. So for this color, we are changing it to this color that I use. So I'm using this color. This is the color. No, sorry. It's just for the text that is inside. So go to format like this one, this text field. So I'm using this color. I think this is the one. Yeah, so we are using this. For the text field, we need to leave it white. It's okay for us to leave it white. We need to leave it white. Okay, so let me just increase it like this. A little bit. This is okay. Yeah, so I think it's okay. So let's just create all this. Or maybe let me finish with this one first. So the next thing is for us to put the number. Now is for us to put the number of the departments that we have. So look at it now. If you look at it by mere looking, we have 3 departments already. We have data science, software development, and the rest. So we are going to pick, we can use this one if we like, but let me just pick another one. Go to insert shapes and take this one text box. So inside the text box, sorry, I'll take this one. Inside the text box, now I'm going to put 3. So this 3, I'm making it area. Yeah, so let me increase it to be big like this. I'm bringing it here. But what I'm thinking, I don't need to put this 3 into this box. I don't. But yeah, let me just put it. I'm just creating it like this, but I'm turning the color of it to be white. I want the color to be white now. I'm showing you what I'm going to do. Don't worry. So it's going to be white. Under this shape pill, we are going to say no pill. We don't want anything. We just want it to be itself. That is, the 3 should be itself on the background. So we want it like this. I'm just thinking, do we want the number to be like this or we want the department to be like this? I don't know which one should be like this. I don't even know. I'm thinking. But this one should be like this. Let's just continue. Don't worry about all this design. But I'm trying to just create something awesome. Don't worry. Let me increase the size. Let's just increase it a little bit. So everybody can see 3 from wherever he is. So we have 3 departments. So now here it is. Okay. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click here and select here. These 2, I'm going to click them. If I want, I can group them, but I'm not going to group any. I'm just going to click Control D after selecting all the 2. So I'll come here and create another one here. Maybe let me bring it closer like this. Don't worry about this. Let me arrange them well. If you click on them here, come to shape, under shape, go to align and click on align middle. Sorry, align center, not middle. Align center, okay. Okay, I can only align 2. So let me align this one and this one. Sorry. Click here and click this one. Let me just align the middle. Yeah, so now they are at the same middle. Let me align this one and this one. I want them at the middle. Okay, so now I align the 2 at the middle. So let me do something. Let me do something again, and again. Yeah, perfect. So we have them like this. So let me align all the top ones. Let me align, just hold control. When you click on it, you hold your control. So let me align them all at the middle. Yeah, they are all at the same alignment. Then I will click the edge like this, click it at the edge. Then you click here, you click here, click here, click here. I'm aligning it at the middle. So all of them are at the same middle. Now I arrange them. So this one we are going to see number of states. So how many states do we have? Let's go back to this. These are the count of states. So we are just going to see how many states. So there are like 10. So we have 10 states. So I'm going to write it. Don't worry, we will reach where we are not going to write it by ourselves. Then after state, we are going to get number of what? No, I don't want number of females. Number of staffs. Yeah. Total number of staff. This is the total number of staff, 83,849. So the total number of staffs, I'm going to say, just click here, delete this three, go to this. When you click inside this, go to formula bar and click equal to, come to this sheet and click this. Then you press enter. So it's going to be here. So I'm coming here, I'm clicking on this, copy the paint, the same paint style, and click it on this. Is going to create this for you. So I'll increase the size. Sorry, increase it like this. So it shows the total number of staff. So we got it like this. Don't worry, I'm recording the class and you're going to see it. So we have 8384. So we have another letter, which is 5. So let me increase it a little bit here and increase it here. And we have this 83845. That's the number of staffs. Okay. So now let's come to this. We have number of, apart from staffs, let's see, number of, are we going to get number of months? Is it months so that it's going to be 12 months? Oh, no, no, it's not number. We can't get number of months. So we need to get number of males, number of females. And then what? Because I need to fill this. That is something that we need to put here. So let's get number of females. Number of females. Here, number of males. Then we are going to get the same, the way we did it here, we are going to do the same. So I'm going to say, no, equal to supposed to be here, equals to, come here. This is number of females. Then you click enter. Then I'm deleting this one. I'm clicking on this formula bar, equals to, then I'm clicking on number of males, press enter. Sorry, did I do it correctly? Yeah. So I'm going to copy the same format. I'm copying this, copy this, paste it here, copy this and paste it here. So now we are increasing this, increase it to this age and increase it to this age. Increase this one to this age and increase it to this age. Okay. So now this is the last one that we are going to do. Where I'm going to call it, let's say number of months. I don't think we have number of months. So let's just put number of months. Let's just put 12. Or let's say 15 months. 15. So here we are going to turn it 2024. Since we have 15 months, so it's going to be this. I think the months are up to 15. Let me check and confirm. Yes, they are 15. Because I saw much when we are here, I saw much. So I just think that it's going to be 15. So let's continue. So can I continue? I'm just trying to just do, let's continue like this. See what we can. So now we are done with all this. So let's start arranging our this. So I don't want this. I always want the pie chart to be at the middle. So I'm not going to put it here. I'm going to put it at the middle. Don't worry about that. Okay, what are we going to put post? So let's put these tabs. Let's put it like this. Okay, I'm going to create it here. I'm putting it like this. I'm putting it like this. So I will have to put another one under it beneath it. So it's going to be this. So I want it to have the same size. And I want it to have the same this. Yeah. So let me put it under. But I can just take them up a little bit. Or let me reduce them. Sorry, let me reduce this because I want everything to be full on this page alone. So I don't want us to go to the next page. So this is okay. I'm okay with this. So I'm done with this. Okay. For this one, let me put it here. So I want everything to have the same size with this one that I just created for this size chart that I'm going to put. So let me just do this. Yeah, let me do this and let me resize it from here. Okay, I'm just trying to create it like this. So here it is. So we have this size like this. Okay, let me just make this size to be closer like that one. Okay, so yeah, it should be like this. So here also we have like this. So this is okay. Let me put something under it. Come, this chart are too much. Oh. This one, I don't even love it here. I'm going to put this. This one is more awesome than that one. So I'm getting rid of that one. Don't mind me. I'm just trying to perfect it to make it looks awesome, even though it's a rush one, but at least I have to teach you how to do this. But I know when you are create designing yours, you can be better designer than me and you can design much better. Me too, if I'm to design it, maybe for project is going to look maybe different than this one. But I'm trying my best me to see that we create something. Okay, I'm getting rid of this. Don't worry. Number of steps by this, we just have number of steps and whatever. So I'm getting rid of this. I don't need it. Don't worry, I'm getting rid of that. Why is yeah, I need this one to be at the middle. Yes, I need this to be at the middle. That's why I'm creating a space for it. So let me do this. I want this to be here. You see this trend? We need everybody to see the trending line. But yeah, we need it like this and trending line is okay like that. This one also, I want it to be under the trending line. I think it should be here. Okay, sorry. Why is that chart that I deleted? I think I need it. Sorry, I'm bringing back that chart that I deleted. Where it is? Ah, it will bring us back. Hello. It will bring us back. I just think that I wanted that chart. I just think that I wanted that chart that I deleted because I have a place for it. But don't worry, maybe I'll go back and create it. I really need it. I really need it somewhere. I just saw somewhere to put it. Okay, so we need this one to be here. So let's just create the size for it. I'm just ready. The class is taking long, so you have to learn all this. Don't worry. We have to be doing it like this because I want you to understand how to do all this. Okay, sorry. I'm trying the size. Okay, here it is. So let me try the width of it. Okay, so it's okay like this. So here it is. Here we go. Okay, so I put it here and it looks good. Okay, let me just resize this. Okay, for our, what do we call it? Our pie chart is okay. Let's resize it. Let's come here and resize the height. I think I'm done with the width. The width, okay, I'm not okay with it. Okay, let me increase it a little bit. Okay, yeah. So now this and this, I want to align them. Let me align them at the middle. No, no, no. I want you to have the same alignment with this one. This one should go up because this one is at the way I want it, not like this. But let me do it again. Please take the same alignment with that one. Ah, ah. What's wrong? Why is okay? Maybe it's not the same size. Yeah, it's because the size are not the same. I'm sorry. That way, oh, so now they have the same size. So now if I call it, it will be aligned at the same middle. Yeah. So now I want you to go up, all of you. Go a little bit up. Okay, we want you to be like this. Okay, here we go. Okay, so now for this, I can reduce this one. Okay, let's put the trend in like that. We want it like this, like this, like this. But I want it to be like this, a little bit up. Okay, so we want this one and we are reducing it. Let's reduce it like this and we can increase it a little bit. Okay, so now what I want is that chart that I deleted. I seriously want it here. Or maybe I will put the pie chart here and I want it to be here. So if I move my pie chart to be here, okay, let this one has the same size with this. Okay, we need to reduce it. Yeah, we need to reduce it. It needs to be like this. So we need that chart that I deleted. I know what it is. This is here it is. This is the number of steps and I created it as this bar. Yeah, this is what I have. So it's number of steps by department. By department, then I add this. Okay, so let's go back to our chart and paste this. Here we go. But I'm reducing it. Let me resize it like this. But okay, let me make sure I resize it with this one. And for the height, I want it to have the same height with the rest. Okay, so here it is. Here it is. So maybe I can increase this a little bit. Okay. So, okay, I think I need something on there, but let me just increase it a little bit. Okay, so here it is. The only thing maybe I can add is just maybe I love to add that shadow. So maybe I can add shadow under each and every one of them. Like this, maybe I can just add it, even though it will not be that, it will not show just like that, the way it's supposed to, since we are using a background that is not white. But at least let's just put it, let's put shadow. on each and every one of it. Sorry, let me just put this shadow. Okay, like this. I think we are good. Okay, so here it is, and this brings us to the end of our dashboard, and this is how our dashboard is going to look like. And I think let's call it a day. We just did something today, and you learned something. And seriously, I believe you are going to keep designing much of what you learn. Please try to design your own, do your designing. I would love to keep seeing your posting on different dashboard designs and everything. We all did this with you together, and you see how much I just come with the idea of how to design it, this and that. This will help you a lot. Some of you that have skills of graphic design, designing a dashboard is not something big for you. And believe me, you will make a very good designer if you try to do it for yourself. So this is it, and this is what we can do. If you have a question, you ask your question. If you don't, we call it a day, and I'll drop the dashboard for you, and I'll also drop the video, the two videos for you of yesterday and today, so that you go ahead and start creating the dashboard. Please, tomorrow we are not going to do practical. I'm going to teach you something today, and it's going to be more of theory. Next tomorrow, maybe after you practice this today and tomorrow, so next tomorrow, then we will do the interactive dashboard on Saturday. That's what I'm thinking. So on Sunday, on Monday, we'll round up all these Python things and whatever. And then on next week, uh, Wednesday, then we'll go ahead and start um either Power BI or SQL. We'll choose anyone and we'll start with it. We have some few weeks to go, so we are going to keep rushing the rest, and we call it a day. And anything we are going to learn now so far in Excel and Power BI, I already teach you that, and you already learned that. So it's just for you to have the skill and to know how to do it. But don't worry, if you get the job, you do what you are mastered at. Yeah, I'm dropping the dashboard pics for you. I already said that. So I'm dropping the dashboard pics for you for this day. So you are going to see the dashboard, and I'm dropping the video also for you. Okay, so like this, and this is exactly where we are going to stop. So I can't see any question from anybody. You don't have any question. So I believe you understand everything. So there is no any question from anyone. So we are good to go, and we are okay, right? So let's call it in a D. See you tomorrow, and thank you very much.